Hi, first grade families. So you have signed up to have your parent-teacher conference via Google Meet. So this video is going to show you how you're going to log in under your child's account and find the meeting. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your web browser. I am on my personal computer and I'm on Safari, but it doesn't matter. Go to Google, and as you can see up in the corner, I'm already signed in as myself. So what I want to do is click right there, and I am going to sign out. Okay, then after you do that, and you might not have anybody signed in, you're going to go to sign in. And because I've already signed in under these accounts, I'm just to show you, I'm going to go use another account. I am going to enter a child's email. And I'm going to enter the child's passwords. Now, some of these passwords are very tricky, so if you see an uppercase letter, it definitely is case sensitive. Some have characters, so just be aware, and that's why we're giving you this video now so that you can practice before next week with parent conferences. So I'm going to enter the password. And not all children do know how to sign in like this, because we have what we call, to use in class with their Chromebook, a quick card. You cannot use that with a computer that is not a Colton Joint Unified School District computer. So that's why we're sending this, so that you realize how to sign in, because your child might not know. So then I'm going to hit next. And then you will see probably the first initial of your child's name up in the corner, and that means you're signed in. So then what you're going to do, the easiest way, if some of you know how to get to ClassLink, you can get to their calendar that way. But one of the easiest ways is to click on these 9 dots, and then right in the middle up pops the calendar. Okay, and it's going to default to, I'm just going to hit not now, to the date. So this conference week is the 11th. And as you can see, you hit that, that's showing the week, and right there is the conference. So when you see your child's name, you're going to click on it. You're going to go ahead and click Join with Google Meet. It probably is going to ask you to allow, if you haven't done Google Meet before with this computer, allow it to use your microphone and your camera. Hit allow, and then you're just going to join. I'm not going to hit join right now. Please be aware, if you do have the 2 o'clock conference, we do get out at 1:55, so if we're not on there, we know that you can log in. We will be there as soon as we can. So again, we're sending you this video. I would practice a few times logging in as your child so that you will be ready for the conference, and we look forward to seeing you. Thank you so much.